Okay, so the next fan up is going to be of this Hunter Silent Breeze. This one here dates from, I believe it's 13th week of 2004, and is powered with the standard 172 by 15 non-Air Max motor. The blades here are a little worn, and some moisture damage, but being that they're regular plywood, they did survive. This is on a probably about like an 18-inch down rod. It was on a longer one, but this is just what I had laying around that wasn't too long. Pretty basic fan. Let's get started here. This fan was located in a master bedroom of the second unit of the beach house I cleared out. Okay, that's like an average low speed. Gentle, quiet, or well, I guess silent breeze for that matter. Power draw, we're looking about 8.5 watts. Let's go to medium. This fan would have shipped with its, or well, I do have the triangular ball and mounting bracket for it as well, but I just threw it on this ball and socket for testing purposes. Decent breeze. Power draw on medium, we're looking about 26 watts. Let's go to high. That's not doing too bad, actually. Pretty good air mover. Granted, you are like 10 inches away from the blades here. Quite impressive for a basic Hunter. Total power draw here on high, we're looking about 70.5. Why don't you coast down here? So yeah, not entirely sure what I'm going to do with it. Probably repaint the blades at some point, but otherwise it's going to stay as is. Bearings seem to be in decent shape. Along with all the other fans on this property, they were definitely running for quite some time. So this one was pretty dirty. And like I said in the beginning of the video, the blades had some moisture damage on them, which is why some of them have the paint chipping off there on the tips. Otherwise, it's a solid blade, so I'm not all that concerned. So with this fan coming to a close, thank you all for watching. Later.